Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock HCL Technologies Limited. So in this video, let us analyze how the stock is performing. So this video is completely for understanding the stock for long term. So there is no short term opportunity in the stock right now, and we can expect a good long term return in the stock. So look at the market cap, it's around 2,86,000 crore. So it's a huge company. And look at the stock PE. So the stock's PE is around 21 and the industry PE is around 26. So when we compare to the industry, the stock is trading at quite cheaper valuation right now. So the stock is currently valued at a fair valuation. So we can also expect some more fall till the price range of 900. So 900 price range can be taken as a good support for the stock. So the stock may reach the price range of 900 for short term. So one can consider buying the stock for long term. So secondly, look at the promoter holding. It's around 60%. So it's a healthy promoter holding, and the stock is trading at the price range of 1000. And the book value is around 200. So the stock is trading around 4.6 times of book value. So it's quite expensive, but it's fine to take long positions at current market price and adding the positions on every fall. So one can consider going long in the stock for long term. So look at the price chart here. So the stock is in a sideways currently. So we can expect a good rally in the stock for long term. So the stock should stabilize somewhere, and we can expect a good rally only after a good stabilization. So the stock is in a sideways and we cannot expect a good rally in the stock for short term. So now let's move to the peer comparison. So the company's dividend yield is the highest in the sector, and we can consider this as a good and positive point. And the sales growth is also good. So it's around 15%, and it's one of the most biggest company. So now let's analyze the quarter results. The company shows a good bullishness and we can expect a good rally in the stock. So look at the net profit. It's increasing on quarter basis. So we can also consider this as a good positive sign. So always understand one thing, if the US dollar is getting stronger, then we can expect a good rise in profits in the IT stocks. So the dollar looks relatively strong for next 4 to 5 years. So we can consider this stock for going long for long term. And look at the net profit growth. So it's almost 13 times the growth. So it's fantastic rally from 1600 crores to 13,000 crores. So we can consider this as a good positive sign for the stock. And let's move to the shareholding pattern. So the promoter has increased the shareholding by 0.7%. So it's fine. And currently the FII has reduced the stake. So we can consider this as a good accumulation zone, because the FII are keep on selling the market. So the stock price fell drastically. So we can consider this as a good opportunity to accumulate. And DIIs are always accumulating the stock, and public is also accumulating. So we can consider this as a good bullish sign. So now let's move to the technical part to understand further. So this is the chart of HCL Limited. So the stock was listed on the price range of 100 and it fell drastically till the price range of 10, and currently the stock is trading around the price range of 1000. So it's a fantastic rally from the price range of 100 to 1000, and we can see a good lower low formation for short term. So we can consider this as a good accumulation zone for the stock, and the stock might face a good support around the price range of 950 to 1000. So 950 to 1000 can act as a good support for the stock. So one can start accumulating the stock at current market price, and one can also accumulate on every fall. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart. So this can be considered as a good support region. So currently the stock is reacting to the support level, but there is a good bearishness in the stock. So we can expect the stock to fall more, and we can accumulate the stock around the price range of 950. So the stock is currently facing support. So we can consider accumulating the stock at current market price, and on every fall we can consider accumulating the stock, because the stock looks fantastic for long term. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So for short term, the stock looks quite bearish, and breakout of the price range of 1100 or 1200 can trigger a further rally till the price range of 1350. So one should not take positions in hurry. So there is no sign of sudden reversal. So one can consider going long above the price range of 1150 for a short term rally, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 1200, and the price range of 1350 can be taken as the most primary target for short term. Then the stock looks bullish for long term. So one can consider accumulating the stock for long term, and the stock is completely alright, and one can expect a good rally for long term. So the stock delivers almost 3% of dividend, and it's fantastic to hold the stock with a good price appreciation too. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally, thank you for watching our videos.